Marvin, what if you made your side hustle your main hustle?
Hey, you never know. You might be able to turn this into $1 million business.
How would it feel if you could make an extra $500 per day?
Hey, that will probably help you save money. According to the Federal Reserve, last quarter, Americans are in $1 trillion worth of credit card debt. Sit back so we can teach you 5 easy ways to make extra money. Staff and virtual assistants. This became very popular during COVID. A lot of people work virtually. You can actually staff another business by helping them hire employees. They got websites where you can do this on.
All you have to do is go to onlinejobs.ph. You can get your account set up and start staffing right away.
You can hire somebody for $5 an hour, and then you can put them with a company, charge the company $10 an hour. Now you're making $5 an hour and somebody else is working for you. Look, during COVID, Gloria and I hired 30 virtual assistants. I even know a real estate agent that uses virtual assistants to help other agents do their listings.
And this is most definitely an amazing way where you can help another company scale their business while getting paid at the same time.
An easy side hustle, you guys. And remember, for all these side hustles we're talking about, we're going to leave links in the description below.
Creating logos. You can go to Fiverr.com and hire someone to create the logo. All you need to do is be the middleman.
For startup businesses, this could be important because they don't know how to brand themselves. So imagine you become the logo expert. Like Gloria said, you find a top logo maker and then you upcharge and middleman the deal. Now imagine you charge a company $150 to $500 for a logo.
And you've only paid $5 to $25 to have the logo made.
This is an amazing way to make extra money. Imagine you did 5 to 10 logos in a month. That could be an extra $500 to $1,000, guys. Look at doing that side hustle.
Creating email copy. This can be a game changer as well because all you have to do is go to ChatGPT and it can write the email copy for you.
So what Gloria is saying, you can help a company nurture their leads or their customers. Let's face it, the fortune is in the follow-up. Most companies need help with follow-up with their customers and with their leads. This is a great way that you can make a campaign for a company and make anywhere from $1,000 to maybe $2,000 creating email copy.
Creating short videos. For all of you Instagram lovers, you can create short videos for companies as well.
This is a great way to help startup companies brand themselves. You can help them make shorts for YouTube, Instagram Reels, and even TikToks. There are apps like CapCut that can make you an editing genius, or you can actually go to Fiverr, hire a top editor, and help companies make their videos.
So the amazing thing about this, you can charge anywhere from $25 to $500 for this piece.
This can become a whole business for you, helping companies advertise on social media.
Building funnels. This is the fun part. You can actually go to onlinejobs.ph and hire someone to build a funnel for you. Or you can even go to Fiverr or Upwork. There are funnel builders out there that specialize in this, and you can charge a ton of money.
Look, we've paid upwards to $20,000 for one funnel. That's right, you can become a funnel builder. A funnel is a version of a website that is taking over right now. You can go to Go High Level to build one, or you can go to ClickFunnels to build one. Building funnels is very profitable. And look, you can use the video to help them advertise the funnel and bring in customers.
This is a game changer. So now that we've given you these amazing 5 side hustles, you can take all of these and put them together and create your own company, a marketing company.
Yes, that would be amazing. Imagine you can help a company do a logo, hire the employees, do the email copy, do the videos, and then build the funnels. This is a marketing agency, you guys. But look, maybe just take it piece by piece, put it together, but now you have the opportunity to make thousands of dollars. I know guys that build funnels alone and make 6 figures a year.
Let me not forget, if you're looking to raise capital, we have an amazing mentorship, Marvin.
Whether you're a startup or existing business, Gloria and I can teach you how to raise capital for your business. Check in the description below.
Make sure you check out the next video coming up.
And don't forget to subscribe. I'm Mr. Smith.
And I'm Mrs. Smith.
And we're here to help empower your finances.